Someone you've never met quietly slides an envelope across the table, and your entire future changes before you even open it. Imagine this happening to you. Would curiosity be stronger than fear? Because you decide to open it, you discover only a place and a time with no explanation. Would you walk away now, or would you take the first step into a world few people ever leave? Therefore, you arrive exactly on time, expecting answers, but instead every face silently judges you before a single word is spoken. You suddenly realize that your first decision is already being tested. Because you remain calm, an older man finally nods in approval, but he gives you no welcome. Instead, he hands you your first simple task, opening a path that cannot easily be reversed. Therefore, you complete the delivery without asking questions, expecting relief, but everyone treats your success as if it were nothing special. The real test has only just begun. Because you passed unnoticed, you're invited behind a locked door where only trusted men are allowed. The mystery from the beginning finally pays off, but what you witness proves this life reaches far beyond a single neighborhood. But the deeper you enter, the less your old life seems to exist. Could you still remember who you were if every reward demanded another sacrifice? Therefore, you're trusted with collecting money instead of carrying messages, and suddenly, every handshake hides either loyalty or danger. One mistake could erase everything you've earned. But success attracts attention, and unfamiliar faces begin watching your every move from across the street. For the first time, survival matters as much as ambition. Therefore, you understand that climbing higher no longer depends on courage alone. Every step from this moment forward will demand choices that change who you become forever. Therefore, your reliability earns you a permanent place among the associates, but acceptance comes with constant observation. Every favor you receive quietly becomes a debt that someone will eventually collect. But trust is expensive. Therefore, you're ordered to protect an important meeting instead of attending it. You begin to realize that power often stands outside the room before it ever sits inside it. Because you prove completely dependable, a respected captain finally learns your name instead of calling you the kid. That single moment feels more valuable than every payment you've received. Therefore, you begin managing small crews, but every decision now affects other lives instead of only your own. Responsibility weighs far heavier than ambition ever did, but a shipment suddenly disappears without explanation, leaving everyone searching for someone to blame. What would you do if every pair of eyes slowly turned toward you? Therefore, you investigate before anyone else can accuse you, following tiny clues hidden across the city. Every answer seems to create an even larger mystery, but the trail unexpectedly leads to one of your own trusted companions. The danger isn't outside your circle anymore, it's standing beside you. Therefore, you report the betrayal instead of hiding it, knowing the decision can never be undone. For the first time, loyalty hurts more than fear. Because you chose the organization over friendship, your reputation grows faster than ever before. Yet every promotion quietly pushes you closer to the dangerous center of power. But when you're finally invited to witness a secret initiation ceremony, you understand you've crossed a line that almost nobody ever returns from. Ahead lies the path toward becoming a made man. If you survive, what comes next? Therefore, you enter the chamber without looking back, knowing that every witness inside has already accepted the same irreversible path. The silence feels heavier than any threat you have faced before. But before anyone welcomes you, you're reminded that loyalty must survive fear, temptation, and time itself. Could you swear an oath if breaking it meant losing everything you love? Therefore, you take the oath, and from this moment forward, you are no longer just an associate. You have become a made man, gaining protection but surrendering the freedom to walk away. But your new status immediately changes the expectations placed upon you. Every success now belongs to the family, while every failure belongs only to you. Therefore, younger recruits begin looking to you for direction instead of instruction. Can you still remember what it felt like to stand where they are now? But influence creates rivals, and another made man quietly begins challenging your growing reputation. The competition stays polite on the surface, yet every meeting feels like a battle. Therefore, you're assigned a high-value operation to prove who deserves greater responsibility. The outcome will shape far more than your own future. But unexpected police activity forces everyone to abandon the original plan within seconds. Every instinct you've developed is suddenly put to the ultimate test. Therefore, your quick decisions protect the crew without exposing the organization. Your name now carries real weight, but so does the attention surrounding it. But as your influence continues to grow, the boss begins inviting you into conversations that shape the future of the entire family. The climb is far from over, and the next step leads dangerously close to the top. Therefore, you take a seat closer to the boss than ever before, but every word spoken inside this room could reshape entire cities. You realize power is measured less by money than by the number of lives your decisions can change. But the boss unexpectedly asks for your opinion before anyone else's. Could you make the right choice knowing one sentence might decide another person's fate? Therefore, your calm judgment earns something far more valuable than praise. The boss quietly begins treating you as the man who could one day replace him. But leadership brings isolation, and the friendships that once felt genuine slowly disappear. The higher you climb, the fewer people you can truly trust. Therefore, every meeting becomes a careful balance between loyalty and suspicion. What would you sacrifice if trusting the wrong person could destroy everything you've built? But rumors begin spreading that someone inside the family is secretly feeding information to the authorities. Suddenly, every familiar face feels like a possible threat. Therefore, you quietly launch your own investigation instead of waiting for answers. Every clue pulls you deeper into a web of deception, reaching higher than you expected. But the evidence points toward one of the oldest captains in the organization. Exposing him could protect the family, or tear it apart forever. Therefore, you bring the truth directly to the boss, risking your own future if you're wrong. Instead of anger, you witness a quiet sadness that reveals how expensive leadership has truly become. But after that difficult decision, the boss entrusts you with responsibilities once reserved only for the highest ranks. The final step toward becoming the family's leader is now within reach. Therefore, every captain now reports directly to you before approaching the boss, and your influence quietly spreads through the entire organization. You can feel the weight of every decision growing heavier with each passing day. But power never remains uncontested, and whispers begin suggesting that the boss has grown too old to lead. Could you ignore those whispers if everyone expected you to become the future? Therefore, you refuse to rush toward the throne, believing patience is stronger than ambition. That unexpected restraint earns even greater respect from those watching in silence. But time moves forward whether anyone wants it to or not, and the boss's health begins to fade. Every meeting feels like it could be the last one you ever share together. Therefore, the boss privately reveals why he first chose you all those years ago. Could you carry someone else's legacy without losing yourself along the way? But before any transition can happen, the organization faces one final crisis that threatens everything it has built. Rivals sense weakness and begin moving closer than ever before. Therefore, you unite every loyal captain instead of allowing fear to divide them. For the first time, everyone follows your lead without hesitation. But victory comes without celebration, because the boss quietly passes the responsibility into your hands. The journey that began with a mysterious envelope has finally reached its greatest turning point. Therefore, you become the new boss, but the title feels less like a reward than a lifelong burden. Every decision now echoes across countless lives, including your own. But as you look back on the path from frightened newcomer to leader, you finally understand the answer hidden inside that first envelope. If you could live this entire journey again, would you still choose to open it? Therefore, every sunrise begins with impossible choices, because every family, business, and alliance now depends on your judgment. You finally understand that reaching the top was never the end of the climb. But every powerful leader eventually attracts powerful enemies, and rumors spread that rival families are preparing to challenge your authority. The empire you inherited suddenly feels more fragile than it ever appeared. Therefore, you choose negotiation before conflict, proving that wisdom often protects more lives than violence ever could. Your greatest victory becomes the one that never needs to be fought. But peace carries its own price, because every compromise forces you to leave part of your old self behind. The ambitious young recruit from years ago feels almost impossible to recognize. Therefore, you return to the small cafe where everything began, searching for a moment of silence instead of power. What would matter most to you after finally reaching the top? But the envelope no longer feels like an invitation. It feels like a reminder that one small decision can quietly reshape an entire lifetime. Therefore, you finally understand that every rank changed more than your status. It changed the way you trusted, feared, and viewed the world around you. The promise made at the very beginning is finally complete. You didn't simply climb through every level of the Italian Mafia. You experienced how every step demanded a piece of who you once were. As the city lights begin to glow below, you realize that the greatest victories are often the ones that leave the deepest questions behind. Some journeys end with answers, while others leave you wondering who you became along the way. Thank you for living this journey from the first envelope to the highest seat beside me. If you're ready to experience another unforgettable life, I'd love for you to join the next adventure. And before you go, ask yourself one last time, would you have opened that envelope?